Your roof is your home's first line of defense against rain, wind, heat, and cold. When it's compromised, so is everything beneath it.
Having a quality roof on your home is essential because it's the first point of protection for the entire home. You want a product that's going to stand the test of time with an excellent warranty. You want something that looks great aesthetically, but it's got to be installed correctly. When assessing a roof's condition here at Carmody, we're taking a look at the quality of the product existing. We're looking at any wear and tear, any weather conditions that have affected the roof, and obviously watershed from the structure. Here in Chicago, we have extreme heat, we have extreme cold. So you need to make sure that your products are going to withstand those extremes, and we have to make sure that we have proper moisture barrier and flashings that direct water away from the structure.
For more than 75 years, Carmody Construction has been helping families protect what matters most. Family-owned Carmody Construction has passed through 3 generations, growing a reputation built on trust, quality, and craftsmanship.
My grandfather, Robert, started Carmody in 1948. My dad, Patrick, took it over in the 70s. Myself, my brothers, and my sister took it over in the 90s and early 2000s. To carry on the legacy of my grandfather's company means everything in the world. The years of education and quality that we've built on top of the name, we can ball it into this beautiful package and hand it down to our clients. The feeling it gives myself and everybody else that works here is hard to explain. When you call Carmody Construction, you're going to get a friendly voice on the other line, navigating you through all your wants, needs, and desires completely through the process. Some of the signs that it may be time to replace your roof are missing shingles, granules at the end of the downspout, water spots on your ceiling. Roofing materials for the Midwest. We start with the basic laminated architectural shingle to combat the weather that we have in the Chicagoland area. For low slope, we use TPO, rubberized, an impact-resistant shingle that will withstand hail, and all of the components that go along with it to make sure it's waterproof and will withstand the freeze-thaw of the Chicagoland area. When you work with Carmody Construction, you start with an educated and dedicated project consultant that gets you what you want. Then our dedicated production team and installers will take you all the way to the finish line, making sure that you have a smile on your face at the very end when we leave. We pay attention meticulously to the details and bullet points of every project, from front end to back end, even into the warranty stage, to make sure that it meets the Carmody quality standard 110% every time. Carmody Construction is fully licensed and insured in the state of Illinois. We have an A+ rating with the BBB, assuring that all clients get the quality that they deserve. Carmody Construction goes above and beyond to assure the safety of all job sites. We abide by all the OSHA standards, and we want to make sure that everybody in and around the job site is safe.
Insurance claims can be kind of complicated. I think homeowners come in regularly asking, where do I start? You know, that's where Carmody can come in, hold their hand through the process, reach out to the insurance companies, figure out what your options are, what kind of costs you could be looking at, and what kind of savings we can have. And we'll take that lead on with the insurance company to make it an easy, seamless process. At Carmody, we're always looking to keep ourselves educated in compliance with all the new building codes that are coming in and making sure that we're being efficient with our production. We know that each job that comes in is unique in its own way. Whether we're in and out in a couple days or it's a few weeks, we want to make sure that we're being very efficient with our time and our production for the client. One of the things that we really pride ourselves on at Carmody Construction is our expert team of installers. Our installers are certified, professional, because experience counts.
Whether you need a new roof to weather the next storm or upgraded windows to bring new life and light into your home, this trusted family business has the experience and integrity you can count on.
I've known about Carmody Construction a long time because I've seen their trucks around town and lots of projects that they've done. So when I had storm damage and my neighbors suggested I give Carmody a call, it just made sense. My experience with Carmody Construction from start to finish was really great. Their level of customer service and integrity, transparency is top-notch. Through the finish, even navigating the insurance claim policy, which is so complicated. They helped me and held my hand through every bit of it. Carmody Construction made the design experience so much easier. With all those choices and all the items, sometimes it can seem overwhelming, but they help break it down into really manageable pieces, gave me lots of options, great advice, and the end result was fantastic. I would absolutely recommend Carmody Construction to my friends and neighbors, and I already have.
At Carmody, we support the local community by sponsoring sports teams. We work closely with the Oswego High School Tech Department and are a part of and involved in many of the local charities.
Carmody Construction are also experts in window installation, helping homeowners upgrade to energy-efficient, stylish solutions that boost curb appeal and cut utility costs.
Window replacement's an integral part of home remodeling and home repair. There are so many options, just like shopping for a car. You really need somebody who knows what they're doing to guide you through it and hold your hand through the process. Well, after upgrading your windows with Carmody, you're gonna see all-around energy efficiency, no more cold or hot spots, reduced energy bills, happy customers. At Carmody, we take pride in everything we do, from passionately educating our homeowner and client to planning the work meticulously to then building the work meticulously and making sure that not only do we have a happy homeowner on our hands, but we have a customer for life and a friend for life.
To find out more about Carmody Construction, visit their website, carmodyconstructionil.com, or you can see this segment again on designingspaces.tv.